Okay, imagine standing at the very top of Mount Everest, right? Wind screaming, oxygen thin, and this endless sea of peaks below. But now picture this, 470 million years ago, your boots would have been squishing through warm ocean mud, surrounded by jellyfish and trilobites. Because the highest point on Earth wasn't always a mountain. It was a seabed. And that's not just a random cool fact, it's a window into Earth's absolute insanity when it comes to reshaping itself. Let's unpack this. First off, why does this even matter? Because Everest fossils aren't some quirky footnote in geology textbooks. They are proof that our planet is a constant chaos artist. Those limestone layers near the summit, they're packed with ancient sea creatures like crinids and ostracods. These aren't just cool fossils moments, they're screaming evidence of tectonic forces so violent they could take an ocean floor and fold it into a mountain range. Think about that. The rocks you're looking at. They've been through more drama than most Game of Thrones characters. But here's what bugs me, why do we act like Everest is this eternal, unshakable symbol? We slap it on cereal boxes and travel bucket lists as if it's been there forever, like it's some ancient guardian of the Earth. But the reality? It's a newborn in geological terms. The Himalayas started forming only 50 million years ago when India slammed into Asia at the speed of a rising bread loaf. That collision? It's still happening. Everest is still rising by about 4 millimeters a year. So while you're obsessing over your morning coffee, Earth is casually building a new mountain under your feet. The whole thing makes me question everything we assume is permanent. And let's talk about those fossils again. The fact that we can hike up to 29,000 feet and find Ordovician-era marine life, what does that even say about time? To me, it's like Earth slapping us with a cosmic wet noodle. You think your human lifespan is long? Your civilization is ancient? Nope. The planet's got layers of history stacked up like old pizza boxes, and Everest just one slice of the pie. Those trilobites died in a sea that hasn't existed for 250 million years, yet here they are, photobombing selfies at the summit. It's humbling, but also kind of terrifying. What else is hiding in plain sight that we're too short-lived to notice? And here's the kicker, this isn't just about Everest. The same tectonic forces that lifted those seabeds are the reason Japan exists, or didn't exist, depending on how you look at it. Earth is a recycling machine. Oceans open, continents collide, mountains rise and erode, and the whole time we're down here stressing about stock markets and viral tweets. From my perspective, this should fundamentally shift how we view our place in the universe. We are not on a stage, we are on a constantly shifting, volcanic, earthquake-ridden set of tectonic bumper cars. And the next time someone says, solid as a mountain, I'm gonna laugh. Because Everest's solid rocks are just ancient mud that got lucky. Literally. So next time you see a photo of Everest, try seeing the invisible layers. Not the snow and ice, but the 470 million years of chaos that had to happen for that pile of rock to exist. And maybe, just maybe, it'll make you look at your own problems with a little more perspective. If a seabed can become a mountain, what else can change? What else is secretly in motion, right beneath our noses?